Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up with Coinbase. Just in this video, I added a step-by-step video that show you how to sign up securely your Coinbase wallet. So all you do is watch this video and then click on the button to create your wallet. All right. And then after you do that, you can go ahead and log in. So hopefully I put a login button below this video. If not, just click on the sign up button. And then after you sign up, you're going to go to coinbase.com and sign in your account. After you sign in, you're going to be asked to download Coinbase Wallet. All right. So after that, all you gotta do is click on the icon from Google Play Store and download the app. All right. So this is what it looks like on Google Play. If you search, you're gonna be able to click on it and get to this page to install Coinbase. All right, but if it doesn't appear, you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, search Coinbase, and you're going to click the install download button. All right, now to install, you can click on open to also log in on your Coinbase wallet on the app. Now you can also log in your Coinbase wallet at coinbase.com/sign in, and you can also log in on the internet. All right. So next is also you want to download Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet will be under Coinbase. All right. And it's right here. You can see the square blue one. All right. Click on it. Also download Coinbase Wallet. This is where it allows you to purchase NFTs and crypto coins, other crypto coins. Special, what I'll be sharing is Bitcoin on Base, Bitcoin Cash on Base. They got Ethereum on Base. All right. And right now, according to this video, they are very cheap. They're still under $1. Okay. So they get them for pennies. All right. So very important. Set up your wallet correctly. And as you sign up and verify your information, you can download these apps, click on open, and you can sign in to your wallet. All right. So if I click on open, it's going to change the vision of the video. But I just want to click and show you what you need to do first is sign up and download these apps. All right. And after you do that, you want to watch the next video and I'll show you how to use Coinbase to activate your Gold E1ULife matrix. All right. The first product is $25. Including transaction fees. All right, so I will show you that. As you can see that on the first video, how you sign up. All right, I use my Speed wallet, but in this next video, I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase. So the first thing is just sign up and verify your wallet. All right, so watch the end of this video and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, what I want to show you first also, when you click on the button to register, all right, click on the sign up free button. It's going to take you to this page. It's going to take you to the person, whoever referred you, all right, on this page. This is going to be replaced with your link. All right, you're going to be earning referral commissions as well in Bitcoin. All right, so only for new members that sign up with Coinbase, if you already have one, you can sign in your Coinbase wallet and get your referral link. Now, I'll be showing you that how to get your referral link by setting up this marketing funnel. Additioning to the Gold E1ULife marketing funnel that they will set up for you if you choose to get the Gold E1ULife marketing funnel system. Okay, so very carefully, once you click on the sign up for Coinbase, it says sign up, get $20 in Bitcoin. Just going to click on sign up. And it's very the same instructions that you see in this video. All right. So like I said, after my part of the video end, continue to watch this video, and Coinbase is going to show you all the steps you need and securely how to sign up for Coinbase. All right. So the same page, I just want to point out, you need to put your real information. All right. This is very for serious people. Put your real email, or you can sign up with your Google. All right. All the information, and you'll be on the next step to purchase Bitcoin and send it in to activate your levels on Go E1Life. All right. I see you in the next video.
Setting up Coinbase Wallet on your smartphone. In this video, we'll cover how to create a new wallet using the Coinbase Wallet mobile app, the basics of a recovery phrase, how to claim your free Web3 username, and how to add crypto to your wallet. Let's get you set up with the Coinbase Wallet mobile app. To get started, you'll need to install the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Let's create a new wallet. This first step is crucial. This is where you receive the 12-word recovery phrase for your wallet. A recovery phrase is a readable translation of your private key, so you don't have to remember a long set of numbers and letters. Private keys are required for spending, trading, or doing anything else with the crypto in your wallet. It's crucial to protect your private key in the form of your recovery phrase and to never share it with anyone. In other words, anyone who has your recovery phrase has your crypto. We recommend storing your recovery phrase in a secure location, such as a password manager, or writing it down and storing it somewhere safe. Remember, this is the key to access your wallet, and Coinbase cannot recover this phrase for you. With the Coinbase Wallet mobile app, you also have the option of backing up your recovery phrase to Google Drive or iCloud. It's important to back up or store your recovery phrase in a secure location because in the event that you lose it, Coinbase will not be able to recover this phrase for you. One last thing about recovery phrases. Coinbase will never ask you for your recovery phrase. If anyone asks you for your recovery phrase, it's best to assume that they do not have your best interest in mind. If you choose to back up manually, there will be a quick test to confirm you stored your recovery phrase. Then you'll be asked to choose an additional security layer for your wallet, either biometrics or a passcode. Choose your preferred method, agree to the terms of service, and then proceed to the next step. Now we're getting to the fun part, choosing a username. This username is powered by the Ethereum naming service, or ENS, and serves as a Web3 address that makes it easier to send and receive crypto. Heads up, you can skip this step for now, but you will not be able to change your username once you create it. If you want others to be able to find your wallet, simply check the box. If you already have an existing .eth or ENS address, you can choose to use that by following the instructions. Once you're ready to move forward, click Submit. Last but not least, before you can use your wallet to collect NFTs, participate in DeFi, or just explore Web3, you'll need to add some crypto to your wallet. You can tap the Buy button to easily add crypto that you already hold in a Coinbase account or buy crypto from fiat and supported countries using Coinbase Pay. You can also transfer crypto from another self-custody wallet using your new wallet's address or username. Now you're ready to explore the world of crypto. Make sure to check out our other videos and articles to help you get started with Coinbase Wallet.